Um, hey guys, welcome to Game Square. Yeah, Game Square. This is a new channel. This is a new channel that I record me making video games on it. Okay, so today we're going to be making a game called Trash Hook. This is for Team C's, and I'm like super late for this. But anyways, yeah. As you can see, I've already done a bit, and this is not going to be the actual trash model. This is just for coding reasons first, trying it, and then actually making real models. Now yeah. Okay, so alright. So I'll get back to you once I've done. Alright, I've basically done nothing except put this one in green for a quick thing, but I want to do like a speed up thing where I speed up the coding, but I have no clue how to do that, so I'm just gonna try to do that. So yeah.